Just another quick little video with the tire hammer. Got some copper I've got to straighten out to use for some fittings on a knife. I just want to demonstrate some of the control this hammer has. Not bad for a home built.